To buy and send Bitcoin on Zelle, you need to have a few things set up. First, start by creating a Zelle account if you don't already have one, and make sure your bank is supported by Zelle. Next, find a reputable Bitcoin exchange that allows you to buy Bitcoin with Zelle, such as Abra or River Financial. Once you have your Zelle account and Bitcoin exchange set up, follow these steps to buy Bitcoin. First, log into your Bitcoin exchange account and navigate to the Buy Bitcoin page. Choose Zelle as your payment method and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. The exchange will then provide you with a unique payment address that you will use to send the funds from Zelle. To send the funds from Zelle, open the Zelle app and select Send Money. Enter the unique payment address provided by the exchange and the amount of money you want to send. Review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. Then confirm the payment. After you send the funds, it may take a few minutes for the exchange to receive the payment and process your Bitcoin purchase. Once the purchase is complete, the Bitcoin will be added to your exchange account. You can then send the Bitcoin to your own wallet or to someone else. When buying and sending Bitcoin on Zelle, there are a few things to keep in mind. Make sure to only use reputable exchanges and follow all security protocols to protect your account and funds. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with buying and sending Bitcoin, as well as any tax implications. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily buy and send Bitcoin on Zelle. Remember to always prioritize security and do your research before using any new service or exchange. With a little practice, you can become comfortable buying and sending Bitcoin on Zelle and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers.